Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to use Grammarly app. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have downloaded the app and we need to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, let's click on Open Settings and click on Continue. Now we need to turn this on. Now you can simply sign up or sign in here. Now you can simply write the text you want to make the correction from. So here, if I make any mistake, we can see the correction over here. So simply apply the correction, and this is how we use Grammarly. We can use it in different apps as well. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.